So let me take the chance just to explain this bill to you. SB 798 is a bill before our state legislature, making it so that all airsoft guns, paintball guns, got to be bright colored. I mean, pink, orange, blue, yellow, purple. Like, I mean, your gun would be okay, but at the same token, like, his gun would have to be recolored. All your airsoft guns would have to be recolored. So if you're an avid airsoft or paintball player, this is not only going to cost you guys, but the industry as well. Like, airsoft is going to take a huge hit from this. Paintball is going to take a huge hit from this. So if you guys want, if you haven't yet, make sure that you sign this petition. We're going to have it here at the park all weekend. So if you have friends that are coming out to play like tomorrow or Monday, make sure that you guys get your names on there. The more we get, the better chance we have of this not passing. So not only could it just cripple the heck out of giant paintball. So for all of you out there that are watching this video, make sure that you guys come on down and sign the petition too, all right? All right, thank you guys. So let's begin orientation.